Now to the latest on Francine. It weakened into a tropical storm overnight, hours after making landfall in Louisiana yesterday. Flash flood warnings are still in effect in parts of the state, with 350,000 people without power. The storm made landfall as a Category 2 hurricane in Louisiana. The storm brought down power lines, snapped trees, and tore through a local storefront. The New Orleans mayor says the city is still prepared for what the storm throws at them.
We're just continuing to be, I would say, that model for disaster preparedness and really for recovery.
Partial 911 outages were also reported in areas impacted by the storm. Wireless companies say they are resolving those issues.